The eruption at Cumbre Vieja in Palma Island, Canary Islands continues into its fourth day as of 23 September 2021. High lava fountains dominates the day and night as well as spectacular Strombolian activity. Now this lava flow map shows the area where the lava flows is covered. It is covered over 150 hectares, which is 378 acres, and has also destroyed over 100 homes. This lava flow map right here breaks it down by the day. The red indicates the lava flows of the 20th of September. The yellow is an extension of the lava flows on the 20th and the 21st of September. The blue was an additional extension from the 21st of September and to the 22nd of September. The lava flows appear to have slowed down due to the fact that they are lava flows, so they move much slower. With this map right here, you can see that the lava flows are about halfway to the sea. So as long as they remain lava flows, the lava field is going to widen out and then it's going to slowly go to the sea if the eruption continues. Okay, as we zoom in here, the lava flows have stopped in an area called Tocande, which is right about here. Okay, it's about halfway between the vent and the ocean. Now if we go a little bit farther to the west, okay, the lava flows are probably going to go down in this area right here. Okay, and they're going to go around this cone. Structures between the cone and the ocean may be spared, maybe not. Depends on the behavior of the lava flow. If the eruption continues, the lava flow will widen and will cover this entire area down here. And again, that area might be spared. Over the past couple days, there has been an increase in amplitude of volcanic tremor as well, indicating that the intensity of the eruption is getting greater. This photo from the Canary Islands Volcanology Institute shows a 10-meter tall lava flow approaching a housing area. Personnel from the Guardia Civil approach an active lava flow. This video from Radio Television Canada shows an active lava flow burning structures and covering structures as well as setting trees on fire. These lava flows are moving slow enough to where you can easily evacuate your house before the lava flows hit. This footage right here shows a lava flow that has already reached one of the streets, and you can see that there's a little barrier right there. I can't tell what they are, look like they're barrels, but that's not going to stop the lava flow. The lava flow is going to easily go over that. You cannot stop lava flows. The lava flows are much stronger than any structure that you build, as you can see right here. Lava flows are going to destroy that little barrier right there. Okay, if you look on this angle right here, you can see the barrier up there on the top right. Like I said, that's not going to stop the lava flow if this thing continues. Looks like this house right here is going to have a new backyard. This last section here is a collection of clips showing some spectacular explosive Strombolian activity, just like what you saw right here. It scales on the left hand side to give you an idea how tall these lava fountains are.
batalla... Ay, Dios.